Welcome to the Reality Transurfing Crash course, where you'll embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery and learn to unlock the power of conscious creation. In this video, we will introduce you to the core principles and concepts of reality transurfing, explore the nature of reality and the role of individual perception, and help you recognize the immense power of intention and conscious choice. Reality transurfing is a groundbreaking approach to understanding and shaping our reality. It invites us to go beyond the ordinary perception of the world and explore the hidden mechanisms that influence our lives. At its core, reality transurfing recognizes that reality is not fixed or predetermined, but rather a fluid and malleable field of infinite possibilities. Each one of us perceives reality through our own unique lens, shaped by our beliefs, experiences, and expectations. This individual perception plays a vital role in how we navigate and interact with the world around us. Reality transurfing encourages us to examine our perceptions, question our assumptions, and expand our awareness to align with a more empowering and abundant reality. Central to reality transurfing is the recognition of the power of intention and conscious choice. Every thought, every emotion, and every action we take has the potential to shape our reality. By becoming aware of our intentions and making conscious choices, we can direct the course of our lives towards our desired outcomes. Imagine for a moment that you possess a magic compass, guiding you through the vast sea of possibilities. This compass represents your intentions and choices, and as you align them with your desired reality, you navigate towards the experiences and outcomes that resonate with your deepest aspirations. Throughout this course, we will delve deeper into the principles and techniques of reality transurfing. We will explore the concept of the alternative space, a realm where all potential variations of reality exist. You will learn how to access this space and consciously select the most favorable paths that lead to your desired outcomes. We will also delve into practical techniques that will enable you to manage your energy, overcome limiting beliefs, and align your thoughts, emotions, and actions to amplify your manifestation abilities. You'll discover how gratitude, self-love, and compassion play pivotal roles in the process of conscious creation. As you progress through this course, you'll begin to see reality in a new light, as a canvas upon which you can paint your dreams and aspirations. You'll gain the tools and knowledge to transcend the limitations that have held you back and embrace a life filled with abundance, fulfillment, and purpose. Get ready to embark on a transformational journey where you'll become a conscious co-creator of your reality. Join us in the Mastering Reality Transurfing course and unlock the power within you to shape your destiny. Together, let's transcend the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. We advise you to reinforce what you have learned by reading the PDF file attached to this module for a deeper understanding. See you in the next chapter.